Welcome back to the UMass DAX Introduction to R video series. The beauty of R being open source is that people all over the world can develop packages for it. Packages are extensions to the language. They contain code, data, and documentation that any R user can install and use. The central repository for R packages is CRAN, or the Comprehensive R Archive Network. It is supported by the R Foundation and serves as an updated record of packages for R. You may remember CRAN from the video that taught you how to download R. At the time of this recording, the CRAN repository features over 18,000 different packages. You can sort through these packages by date of publication, name, or overarching topics, such as Bayesian inference, econometrics, machine learning, and more. These packages are full of functions that help you explore data. There are also packages built just for fun. For example, the praise package generates random praise with each call. Don't worry, we don't expect you to know what packages to use right away. I am going to walk you through the main collection of packages that we use in the DAX program, Tidyverse. Tidyverse is a collection of packages that revolve around the central idea of tidy data, something you'll hear us talk about a lot in DAX. Tidyverse is featured heavily in the Wickham and Grolmund book R for Data Science, which is freely accessible online. As described in the introduction of R for Data Science, the packages in the Tidyverse share a common philosophy of data and R programming, and are designed to work together naturally. Simply put, Tidyverse is built by data scientists for data scientists to make data science easier. To install a package, open up RStudio and navigate to the console. Here, you type in the following command, install.packages with closed parentheses. Make sure that you don't capitalize anything, as R is case sensitive. Inside the parentheses, put a quote, followed by the package you want to install, followed by an end quote. It is important that you spell the package name correctly, and always put the package name in quotes. Hit enter and the package will download. You do not need to download the package more than once. Now that the package has been downloaded, you need to load it into your environment. Every time you open an R session, you should think of yourself as having a clean slate, with a lot of packages downloaded and ready, but none of them actually opened yet. To do this, you can type in library with an open and closed parenthesis, and type in the name of the package in between the parentheses. This time, you don't need to use quotes around the package name. Hit enter, and the package is ready to be used. Any of the functions within the package are now at your disposal. Again, unlike installing, you need to use the library command every time you want to use a package. Another way to install an R package is to use the Packages window in the bottom right quadrant of RStudio. When you click on the Install button, you'll see a pop-up window where you can type in the name of the package that you want to download. Once you start typing in the name, it'll be auto-completed, which is helpful to ensure that you aren't making any spelling errors. The same window can be used to update and even load packages. The packages you have downloaded are listed with a check mark beside them. You can click the check mark, which automatically loads the package in the console window, and then the Update button, which will update the package with any developer changes made to its code or other contents. To recap, to install a package, you use install.packages, making sure to enclose the package name in quotes. Once you have the package installed, you just need to use library to call that package when you need to use it. In upcoming videos, we will dig into what functions are and what you can do with different packages. For now, practice installing and loading the Tidyverse. That concludes the lesson for this video. Be sure to pause here and make sure that you can complete this checklist. If you have any trouble, please reach out to the DAX Tutoring Ambassadors. We'll see you in the next video.